Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are gonna be tapping our post one here and tidying it up and making it look a bit nicer. So to get started with, let's use Filament's form component called tab, make, and let's call this one content. And then in here we want to have one called tabs, and I'm just going to copy all of this for now, and in the tabs one we are going to create a tabs we are going to be creating a single tab, one called content, or you could call it, actually let's call this post, and then call this content, and let's add the thing should be actually import the right one. So if we go back in here, we have components tab and tabs imported. Let's actually try to re-import this one here. So it would be with a schema, and let's find the right one here. I believe it is forms components tab. Perfect. And then let's create another tab in here, and let's call that tab make. Let's call this meta. Perfect. So what we want to take from here is we want to take the meta description, and we could take the image as well. It's up to you really. I mean, I'm not sure if I would do that. It's really a personal preference. But if we refresh, you can see we have this. So at the moment, the key issue is that we're actually having this a bit small here, but obviously it does look different than before, looks a bit more nice. But let's see if we can actually just add a columns 1 for this. There you go. So now we can actually create our own tabs here. So instead of having everything in one here, we can just have the meta description here, for example, and the content here. So this is a nice and easy way to organize it. And we should also consider if we want to add more into the meta one. So for now we have an image and we have a meta description. So you could add more content in here. I think this should be fine. So the meta description will be the one we hide on the individual blog post page, and we will look at adding that later on. And outside of that, you have now got the opportunity to not only have a nicer design, but you could also, as you know, add tags and all that. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.